Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the TikTok is not responding problem on Android phones. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get start. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for TikTok. Now tap on TikTok. Scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Okay, done. And go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for TikTok. Now check update your TikTok app. My TikTok app already updated. Okay, and now uninstall your TikTok app and again install your TikTok app. Okay, done. And now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone. Reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your TikTok app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.